We are in Vera, Oklahoma, waiting to meet someone about some puppies, and we're going to check them out. We're going to look at the. It's supposed to be a Great Pyrenees Anatolian mix, and while we're waiting for this guy to show up, we see a sign over here, and so Kinzie is going to take the camera and go over there and show us what we see.
Hey, I'm recording. Okay, jail east of 1906. Okay. And this is inside the jail. This reminds me of when we went to Caddo. This in that little prison. This is inside. Oh, okay. There's wasp in here. And inside of the thing, jail cell.
I think that's where they chained him up to.
Yeah. Yeah, and then there's where they chained him up to. This one reminds me of a chicken coop. Why does it remind me of a chicken coop? And then there's holes in the ceiling and more wasps. I want to say this is a chicken coop.
It reminds me of that cell that we saw down there in...
That's exactly what I said.
Oh, did you? Okay, sorry.
Yeah, I just said, yeah, that's what I said too. Ooh, what are these?
I don't see the beds though. I know.
Maybe they didn't have a bed.
But when we were down in
Caddo.
Caddo, they had one about this big
That's the door.
in the middle of it, but it had 4 beds that came down.
Okay, and that was, how do you say it? The name of the city?
Vera.
The Vera 1906 jail thingamabob. This is a closed convenience store that sells night crawlers for $2.86 a pack. And chicken livers. Ugh. That's gross. Okay, and then they have a trash can and a cooler and chairs. Ooh, this pig has sunglasses. And more inside. Whoa. Why does that sign say closed and this sign says open? Illuminati confirmed. Okay, we finally picked out the puppy. And we're trying to come up with a name for her. We have come up with several different names. And it doesn't seem like she likes any of them for some reason. What? You could tell when a dog likes their name.
Was that why you kept repeating it? See if you did something.
Yeah. Kept repeating the name.
Get no rise on
No. It didn't seem like she liked it. Joseph,
What?
can you come up with a name? Like, okay. I have a challenge for you real quick. Okay.
All right, we'll continue the experimentation then.
Okay, but just I have something to do. Okay, when I say 3, I'm gonna say something and you have to do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy. Sad. You're terrible at this game.
What were you even playing?
You're supposed to catch the person off guard, and when they say happy, you're supposed to smile. When they say sad, you're supposed to be sad.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Here's some cows. There's a cow. There's
Cow.
another cow.
Yep. Ooh, there's a cow over there too. And chickens.
There's some chickens. And here's their chicken coop. All the chickens and all that. They come out to here ready to get the feed. Did you pet the cow?
I ended this, and it went.
Do it again.
It's camera shy. Boom.
There you go. We got it.
Told you did it.
Hey, Kinzie. Guess what that is? That's manures. Ha!
Okay, guys.
Oh, there's a fire back here. That's a big boy. This is a big cow.
It's probably like one of the dairy cows or something.
No,
Cows.
I think that's a male. Oh, no, the others are back there. I see them.
So rude. And then that's the other cow.
Here's another cow.
And then that another cow.
Then another one. Why do they look so like, they're just all like, why?
I have been chosen.
Nope. He went, nope. Come on, cow. Choose
I've
me.
been rejected.
Okay, whatever.
But you chose me.
No, it went up, and then as soon as you went to go touch it, it went back.
Do it. Are you still recording?
Yes, I'm still recording. This is Kinzie.
But I want to be the photographer.
And now you want a video?
Yeah. Hey guys, it's me, Kinzie. The star of the show. There's a cow that I petted. Well, they petted me. Chickens. Oh, there was a chicken out here. Other chickens back there. Water. Boat. More chickens. More chickens right there. I think there's a Rhode Island wedge or something like that. More chickens. Chicken thingy McBob. Cat thingy McBob. Ah! Sorry guys, I don't know if that messed up that whole video. But if it did, then we're gone. Okay, there's chickens, and over there the cows, right there the cows, right there there's cows. That's even a cow right there. I think I found the biggest cow ever. I think I found the biggest cow ever. Then here's some more cows, cow, and cow. There's cow of, What's he doing? Oh, calf. Cow. Play set. Not in this calf. What was it doing? Doesn't love you, face it. But that cow loves you.
Yeah, I licked my hand like 3 times.
Exactly, because you're a big fat cow.
And the puppy has decided that she wants to walk now. That's good, because she was no fun to drag.
Now she's so happy. We're going to name her Candy. We have escaped chicken. Now we have to go try to catch him. Okay, we have caught one chicken escapee, and the chicken crossed the road. And so when the chicken crossed the road, I said, why did the chicken cross the road? Because it was running away from Grandma and Grandpa.
I did put chicken on the back side of it, so it's hope.
We have caught the second chicken escapee.